everyone. Let's discuss about the topic teaching of grammar. It's essential for any English teacher to teach English grammar to second language learners, as the objectives are to develop students' insight into the structures of English language along with the scientific attitude about the language, to enable the students to express their ideas logically and correctly in speaking and writing, to teach grammar as a rule-governed behavior and not as mere rote learning, and the final objective is to enable the students to develop their understanding about the rules of English grammar through use and practice of its structures, and to assimilate the correct patterns of language without rote memorization. The types of grammar includes prescriptive or traditional or formal grammar, and descriptive or functional or incidental and informal grammar. Prescriptive grammar is the traditional or formal grammar which ties the language with rules and let it not flourish on its own with the change, which is the nature of a language. This type of grammar lays emphasis on only rules and forms rather than on functions and their applications, which implies grammar is taught for the sake of grammar. This type of grammar ignores the affective and psychomotor domain of education. It only fulfills the cognitive domain of education. When we look into the descriptive or functional or incidental and informal grammar, this type of grammar is learned by the students quite unconsciously while learning the language, as the name suggests. The main emphasis is laid on functional side of language, and it describes the behavior of the language as it is used by the native speakers. Descriptive grammar is very useful for the young learners, as they do not find any interest but a means to an end. It overcomes the limitations of prospective grammar because it changes along with the change in the language. To practice grammar, drills are the interesting activity to engage students in learning grammar. A drill is a classroom technique used to practice new language. It involves the teacher modeling a word or a sentence and the learners repeating it. In other words, a drill is a classroom technique to aid memorization by way of spaced repetition. Drills promote the acquisition of knowledge or skills through repetitive practice. Drills exercise can give the teacher immediate feedback about learners' understanding at each phase of the lesson. The types of drills includes repetition drills, manipulative drills, substitution drills, question answer drills, replacement drills, and expansion drills. Repetition drills. It's the simplest drills used in learning language pattern. The teacher say the chosen sentence pattern and the students are supposed to repeat what they heard loudly. The drill is also called as imitation or oral method, which focuses on speaking skills. In manipulation drills, the teacher gives the structures to the students which they manipulate and learn different form of structures and patterns of sentences. Manipulation drills are also called as communicative drills. The next drill is substitution drill. A substitution drill is arrangement of words in columns in units which may be combined to make sentences. Collection of example of grammar could be illustrated using substitution tables. This type of drill is convenient for learners of English as they reach the stage of naming terminology in grammar. So, we have got insights about the teaching of grammar and techniques to teach grammar for English as second language learners.
Thank you.